Which waterfall is the tallest on the planet? Sky High Cascades. It plummets from a height greater than the Eiffel Tower, making it the tallest waterfall on Earth. Hidden Gem. Located deep within a remote jungle, this natural wonder remained largely unknown to the world until recently. Name origins. Its name pays tribute to a U.S. aviator who flew over the falls for the first time, bringing global attention to its majesty. Year. Round flow. Unlike some waterfalls that vary with seasons, this one boasts a consistent flow year-round. Tourist destination. Despite its remoteness, it has become a sought-after destination for adventurous travelers. And it's the Angel Falls in Venezuela.